Hello guys. So itatry ko mag-report sa mukha nyo. Dahil magpa-practice nga eh. Practice. Okay, so my report is about constellation around in the northern hemisphere. Constellation that can be seen all year around are called circumpolar. So what is circumpolar? So when we say circumpolar constellation, it is a constellation that can be seen all year around. In the northern, walang in. In the northern hemisphere, circumpolar constellation are seven near. Seven. Are seen near the North Star. These constellations are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Cassiopeia, and Cygnus. Cygnus. So their appearances are Ursa Major looks like a big bear, Ursa Minor, little bear, Cassiopeia, the queen, and Cygnus, the swan. Ursa Major, known as the Big Bear, is the third largest known constellation and is easy to see. Constellation next to the Hydra and Virga, and is easy to see. So if we say, if there is a question, third largest known constellation, it is Ursa Major, and and the next to Hydra and Virgo. The first is the first Bobo, and it's easy to see in the constellation or around the night sky. Yun na yun. More popularity. I am practicing my tongue. More popularly known is the seventh star Japor, referred to as the Big Dipper asterism. An asterism is a group of stars that form an easy to recognize shape or pattern in the sky. It's like a mini constellation but isn't officially one. So if we say asterism, it is a group of stars that can be form and easy to recognize. Just like, for example, the Big Dipper looks like a spoon or a ladle. Alam niyo ba yung spoon? Wait lang. Alam niyo yung spoon? Ay, bobo. And is part of the constellation of Ursa Major. So, the Big Dipper is the part of Ursa Major. Yung nasa loob ng Ursa Major is the Big Dipper. Like, wait lang. Pangit yung writing natin eh. Just like that. That is the Big Dipper. But is not officially a constellation, but is part of Ursa Major. Another example is the Big Dipper looks like the Summer Triangle is made up of three bright stars from three different constellations, each belonging to Lyra, Aquila, and lastly, Cygnus. What's that? Oh no, may pusang nagbabahing sa baba ng table. The Summer Triangle is made up of three bright stars from the three... So, ito po yun. Yan po. Halata ka. So it's Vega, Aquila. So here's what's that? Denan from Denan ba? Ay, Daneb pala, Daneb. Sorry naman. So it's Daneb from Cygnus, Aquila. No, wrong. Altair from Aquila, and that is, I don't know, Vega from Lyre. Next page. The Big Dipper has 7 stars, 4 for the trapezoid. So alam niyo po bang shape ng trapezoid? Ganito po. Grade 9 na kayo, di nyo alam. Charot. Ganyan ba? Correct ba? So, ganyan po. This is the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think of the 4 sides as the stars. Okay. The Big Dipper has 7 stars. 4 for the trapezoid body and 3 for the handle. So, lalagyan po natin ang handle. Wait lang, baliktad pala. Ganyan po dapat pala. Baliktad ng trapezoid. Basta nakita nyo na yung drawing yun na yun. Oh, 3 handle. Nakita nyo man na yun. Oh. Like 1, 2, 3. 3 for the handle. The 2 stars of the trapezoid are called Dabne and Meroc. Dabhi and Meroc. So this is Dabhi and this is Meroc. Point to Polaris that is located at the tip of the handle of Ursa Minor. The Big Dipper is an asterism of Ursa Major. So the Big Dipper is an asterism of Ursa Major. You know what asterism is? It is a group of stars that are easy to, like, you can easily just like the Big Dipper. It is looks like a spoon and it's part of the constellation Ursa Major. Like, yun, asterism. Alam nyo naman na yun. And Ursa Minor, known as the Little Bear, is a smaller version of Ursa Major. It is also composed of 7 stars, 4 body, and 3 stars for the handle. So, Ursa Minor is just like, it's just like Ursa Major. It is, paano ba explain to? Parang ganun. Parang Ursa Major lang din ang Ursa Minor. Pero Ursa Major ang Ursa Minor. It is also composed of 4 body and the stars at the tip of the handle is Polaris. So you see that Polaris, that is part of Ursa Minor, and there is Ursa Major. That's the reason of Ursa Major, and this is Ursa Minor. Okay. Cassiopeia, a constellation named after a queen in Greek mythology. So Cassiopeia is named after a queen in Greek mythology. So she is named after a queen in Greek mythology. It's the 25th largest constellation. So Cassiopeia is also the 25th. Cassiopeia is 25th largest constellation. So when they ask you what is what is the place of Cassiopeia? Oh my gosh, ang bobo ko mag-explain. Kalimutan ko. Basta may ano ko dito, script ako eh. Kalimutan ko lang. So yun. So Cassiopeia is the 25th largest constellation in the constellation. Oh, yun. Cassiopeia is noted for the 5-star asterism with form of W. So, Cassiopeia looks like a W here. The Queen, also known as the Queen. There is Cassiopeia 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is Cassiopeia, that part. And that is Ursa Major and that's Ursa Minor. Okay. Okay. Cygnus, Latin name for swan. So, where did the name swan came from in Cygnus? It is where did the Cygnus came from? It's a Latin name for swan, okay? It's the 16th largest constellation. So, Cygnus is the 16th largest constellation. If they ask you how large is, I don't know. It is recognized for asterism that forms a cross and is referred to as the Northern Cross. Oh, I think they named it Northern Cross because look at its shape. At its shape. That is Cygnus, that is cross like shape. See that? And that is the name, and that stop. That is Daneb, and that is Albreo. Its two brightest star are Daneb, located at its tail, and Alberio. Sabi ko nga dun kanina, Daneb and Alberio. Albreo. Albreo. Ay, Albireo pala at the head. Albireo at the head and Daneb at the tail. Okay. And hindi ko sure na i-explain ko din tong constellation ng Southern Hemisphere, pero hati-hati kasi kami. Dun sa mga ka-group ko, hati-hati kami. Actually, mahaba to eh. Concept in a box. Star. So, merong ito. Mas easy to. Yung brightness and color. Tapos, yung question nila, pag hindi pa nila to nasagutan, bahala na sila sa sarili nila. Kung basic, how are stars classified? They are classified in luminosity and magnitude and luminosity. Oy. How do you know about stars when you are very far away? Scientists study the sun. They use the following characteristics. Surface temperature. Actually, mahirap yun. Composition, star convergence, constellation in the northern hemisphere, constellation in the southern hemisphere. So, akin ata din tong southern hemisphere. Changing positions of the constellation. Ala, nag-change ng position. Grabe na yan, no? Astrology versus astronomy. Beliefs and practices. Yun, no? Chapter recap. Wala na. Closer look, explain. Test yourself. So, study ko na lang yung mga question para, alam mo kasi yung mga kaklase ko, alam mo mga yan, di sila nag-ano, pakampante na sila, sa kanila sila magre-review. Sa kanila sila magre-review pag ano na, ay, ano ba yan? Pag last, ano na, like, di ba? RSGP, AP. So, fourth period namin ang science. And recess yung third. RSGP and AP. Dito, sila magre-review dito. Dito, kaya mo pa ba yung i-review hanggang dyan? Tapos yung recess namin is ano lang, 20 minutes lang. 15 pa ata. Kasi bawal naman lumabas eh. Like, malapit lang. Maliit lang campus namin. Tapos malapit lang din canteen. Kaya, ang liit ng time ng recess. Our stars classified, our constellations real are just figment of imagination. How can stars tell time? Actually, i-request ko na lang kay sir yung mga questions is ano na lang based on the ano, yung mga like nag-assign kasi yung leader namin kung saan kami magre-report. Doon, yung re-report ko kanina is yun nga. Doon na lang. Yung, parang ako, review ko lang is constellation in the Northern Hemisphere. So, doon na lang ako Don't be confused. Wala talaga yan. Sinipa. Ay. So, yun. So, sasabihin ko, grabe naman tong ano ko, ADHD ko. May ADHD ka ba? Wala naman. So, nagre-review ako. Alam mo kung bakit ako na nabibideo? Para maalala ko lahat ng re-review ko. O, ask me anything. Ano ba yung mga question? Ask me anything. Hindi ka mag-a-ask. Alam, cellphone ka. Ay. Obo. Anyways. Hindi na pa ako kain ng pita. Kasi masarap. Tapos, hindi mo pa ng condensed milk. Sabo. Tapos may condensed milk. Ano yung condensed milk ko, guys? So, upload ko na lang to sa YT ko. Kala mo naman may manonood eh. Anyways, follow me on TikTok. Clayel po. Basic lang name ko sa TikTok. Pangalan ko din. Di natuloy. Okay. Bye! Thank you sa pagre-review. Ba't ako nag-video? Oh, hindi ko pa pala na-review. Okay, bye.